I'm here. Watch lifestyle over here, son. Me did that somewhere. Them block me off alive. Them block me off alive, so me have to just, let me not know what go on. No, I'm a dog, white dog walk. I white dog walk, me give them just a while ago. Yeah. So me can go end the live now? Fully eggs. Fully. 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 Fully eggs. Miss on too. Hey boy, King Milk, Moles. Oh, you watch me height, so you love man. Stop watch my bum buckler eye about me about 5'5". Bum buckler there. You watch me height, you love man. Hey! Oh, your bum buckler said. Thank you. Listen to me I say. Listen to me, people. I'm sorry. Moving the blood clot. The last time I tell him to make merch, I was too small about it was 300,000 blood clot merch. Then we turn on and give a shot. Then we gone back over private. You look like over here, my son. The last time when you tell me to make blood clot merch, we make how much blood clot water merch. How much merch we go buy. I mean, as soon as say, who don't want to buy some merch? Me turn on and have to give a shot. Me drive and give a blood clot shot. Me don't make no merch. Me don't make no merch. Me don't make none. Me go on. Me go on. Thank you. Yes. So we are going to end the live. You massive. They say success look better. Success look better. At least somebody be real with me. I see that's not to come back over success. Well, I know people that say come back, and 2 people be real with me. Me don't like your property too. Leave this to lava. We all left lava and I property. We all left lava and I property. Can you out? Me don't like over here. I'm an ex-poor person. Yes, I'm an ex-property person. No, listen to me I say. Me don't like over here too. Me don't like over here, son. Me don't like over here. Oh, me bossy. True, you see people carry and people bike park yourself. A video shoot. You know, see camera over there, son. A video shoot me there. And people carry and people bike. So me then have people. My dog come link me in a BMW. And my dog come slide the bike and link me. You see me I say? Yeah. So I video shoot me there. Look out for the new song. Burn them. You understand? And no lava produce it. A hot new song we are drop a road. You understand me? I say, I'm the bird. Yeah, people, a video shoot. And people carry and people bike. I want to a video shoot today. But I'm back over success. I don't like over poverty. We don't have too much question over yourself. Yes. And people bike and a people carry. Lava can run the property show by yourself. But I'm back over success. Thank you. Thank you. Don't have to make it where people them can't see me. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Video shoot. Yeah. We're outside like all the time. You understand? Mm-hmm. Me I say something. I like for lava start chatter and laugh. You hear lava name called for no good girl when you fuck. Amari and pretty that name alone. So tell me now, me give you a platform for turn workless. No, me have to talk over success with them now. Yeah, we don't broke over your son. White people walk. Big bike and BMW. Tell them that I run. So, me I say, more and more big lava platform. He turn himself in a worklessness. From me I see workless, me never say workless like that. Me see workless like that, but never like we lava do. You understand me I say? No, we would never do that. You see me? You own a free bike, people them say bike bad. You hear that? See your bike. Unruly car. You see me? You own a free bike, your bike hot. Bike bad, you fuck. I tell you man, bike bad, a bad bike. That's why dogs don't walk regular. White people walk. You understand? White people walk. The dog go no. You understand? Property! 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 Queenie! Congratulations on your wedding. No, I'm go for success. Me can't talk them things about Queenie from property. Let me go for success. Queenie! Congratulations on your Queenie, congratulations on your fantastic wedding. Your wedding was so beautiful. You rent out the whole of Elsha Beach. That's good. And that pussy boy you go buy gentleman and married you know. He don't marry you know what purple clocks and killing pussy them. You know see your Queenie a smile and sign the paper. I do. How much girl for the life can say I do? Some of the way you say I do a shit to no one blood clot shit. Who know nothing blood clot else when you not say I do. You want something from them, I do. You want new shoes, I do. You want to go I party in a cabana, I do. But you want blood clot sign the paper already for married and settled with one man. Because you're afraid at the time you're not afraid to say I do. Queenie, big up your blood clot self. Me see you wake up and you cry. Already did marry, say so divorce now, say so relationship never go as it planned. Meet me over blood clot. Yes. So mama, you're married, but the marriage never worked. So, here what you gonna do now, cause me I try to tell us something, I don't know what to tell you. Cause me never married yet, you know. In other situation, they have got to go with somebody who is married. It look like the marriage not going nowhere. So me I chat to you over here. I'm still married. How long you married for? Alright, we are playing a game for the life. If you have a man and you don't want nobody else, you put up a red sign. If you're over here single and want a man in your wall, you put up a green sign. If you fuck you and was want a man to fuck out your wall and you don't want a man to get a problem, you want to lay down at night time and call any man where you want to fuck out your wall, put up a yellow sign. I'm over success with it. With caution. be red over there, no. What's that? Jamie! For I want to come link me, no. I told you, now we are me a kickball, you know. Red. Red. Green. Bumbo clot. Hold on, no, man. Red. Hold on, the